one knows how it works when the baby arrives. No manual gives all the answers. There is no secret recipe and no magic formula. In the end, every baby is unique, and so will your approach to parenting be. Still, you want to make the best choices for your child, but how do you do that? We make innovative products that really add something to the life of you and your baby, because your little one deserves the best care and expertise. Every bit helps, even when it comes to parenting.